Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you cooking enthusiasts out there. We're going to introduce you to the best non-toxic cookware set available, the SENSARTE Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set. If you're looking for a healthier way to cook without sacrificing flavor, this set might be your answer. Stick around as we delve into the features and benefits of this amazing cookware. First things first, let's talk about what you get when you order the SENSARTE Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set. When you receive this set, it comes carefully packaged to prevent any damage during shipping. Each piece is individually wrapped to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. Now, let's dive into the material and safety aspects of this cookware. The SENSARTE cookware set is made of natural ceramic that's SGS approved. Hey there! What does that mean? It means it's free of harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, PFAs, lead, and cadmium. So, you can cook with peace of mind knowing that no toxic fumes will be produced, even if you accidentally overheat your pans. One of the standout features of this set is its super non-stick ceramic surface. Eggs, for example, just slide right off the pan effortlessly. This means you can cook with less oil, making your meals not only healthier but also more flavorful. Now, let's talk about versatility. The heavy-duty base of these pots and pans makes them safe for all stovetops, including induction. The cast aluminum construction ensures that the pan heats up fast and evenly while retaining heat consistently. And here's a tip. If you want to put them in the oven, just remember to remove the handle first, and they're oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Wondering what you get in this 13-piece cookware set? You'll receive a 9.5 fry pan, an 11 inches sauté pan with lid, a 2.5 quart saucepan with lid, a 4.7 quart casserole with lid, 2 silicone utensils, and 4 reusable pot protectors. It's basically everything your kitchen needs. Let's not forget the convenient features. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid and helps limit splatters on your stove. Plus, the wood grain Bakelite handle is not only stylish but also stays cool while you're cooking, so no more burnt fingers. Now, let's hear what customers have to say about this cookware set. We've seen an overwhelming number of positive reviews. Customers love how easy it is to clean, the great value for money, even heat distribution, and its scratch-resistant properties. The SENSARTE Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set is available on Amazon at an attractive price point. It's currently listed at just $99.95. Down from its original price of $139.99. That's a 29% discount. Plus, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you can grab it for as low as $69.86. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for non-toxic, high-quality cookware that's versatile, easy to clean, and budget-friendly, the SENSARTE Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set should be at the top of your list. It's a great investment for your kitchen that will make cooking a breeze and help you prepare healthier meals. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more product reviews, and leave your comments below. We'll catch you in the next video.